Anybody hear that? It's a, it's an impact tremor is what it is. I'm fairly alarmed here.
Come on. We gotta get out of here. Now, right now. Go, let's go. Hey. Start the engine. Must go fast. Think they'll have that on the tour?